A concave mirror forms the real image of an object, which is magnified 4 times. So first of all, we have magnification, which is 4 times, and the image is real, so it must be inverted. So magnification should be written as minus of 4. This is the first important step, and if you make a mistake here, the answer is going to be completely wrong. Now the object is moved 3 centimeters away and the magnification is 3 times. Okay, so we have to draw a diagram first. So concave mirror forms a real image of an object which is magnified 4 times. The object must be lying between the focus and the center, and this should be the image. In this situation, you can say your distance is u, which is, let's say this is x, and what comes out here is y. Now the object is moved 3 centimeters away and the magnification of the image is 3 times. So if this is moved 3 centimeters away, u becomes x plus 3 and of course negative. And we don't know about v, but we do know that the magnification is 3 times. So in this situation, magnification is going to be minus 3. So we have these two situations. In this case, we have u is equal to minus of x. And in that other situation, what is the focal length of the mirror? So how can we solve for the focal length in this question? Let's solve for the v first. And in any scenario, if we get v first or v out, we can solve for focal length. So in this case, we can write m, which is equal to minus 4 equal to minus v upon g. So minus 4 is equal to minus v upon minus of x, and v is equal to minus of 4x. We can solve for focal length right here. Let's try. So 1 upon f, which is going to be negative, but let's just keep it f because the answer will give out a negative value itself, is equal to 1 upon v, which is minus 4x, plus 1 upon u, which is minus of x. So this solves out to be equal to 1. I'll just take the negative sign out. So minus, here we have 4 times 1 plus 4 upon 4x. So the focal length is coming out to be 4x upon 5 minus of 4x upon 5. So this is going to be the first equation. Let's use this first equation to solve the second equation. And instead of focal length, we'll replace it with x. So instead of using this equation, we'll just convert it into an equation of x. We'll write it as x is equal to 5f upon 4 with a negative sign. So we can eliminate x from the other equations. Let's try solving this one again, and I'm hopeful that we'll get to the correct answer. We have m, which will give us the value of minus v upon u, which is equal to minus 3. V is equal to 3u, which is equal to minus of x minus of 3. So we have minus 3x minus 9 as our v, or image. Let's put it in the equation. 1 upon minus of, maybe I can just write it as minus of 3x plus 3, okay, plus 1 upon negative of x plus 3 is equal to 1 upon focus. And focus is something that we still haven't found. The negative signs can be taken outside, and we have just 1 by 3 of x plus 3. Let's make this a common base, and this will give us 3 of x plus 3 in this fashion, 1 by f. I'll put the value of x in this, and we'll get negative of 4 upon 3 into x is what? X is equal to minus 5f by 4. So we'll have to put minus of 5f by 4 plus 3, and then we'll have to solve this large equation, This equation is larger than what I imagined. And maybe there is a better way of solving this question by Mhm. I don't think there could be some slight changes in the solution, but you'll still have to solve for something big like this. You can maybe try to solve for x only in the left hand side of the equation, and that will reduce your burden, and you can find the value of f from the value of x once you have solved that. But okay, I'll just take the time to solve this humongous equation. Alright, so we have, can we turn this around? Can we turn this upside down? Yes, I think we can. F is going to be equal to, and I'll just give it the negative sign already. F is going to be equal to 3 by 4, 3 minus 5f by 4. This is how it looks like. Now it looks better. So minus 4f is equal to 9 minus 15f by 4. And let's bring the right hand side here. 15f by 4 minus 16f by 4 is equal to 9, which is equal to minus of f by 4. So focus comes out to be minus of 36 centimeters. Do we have this answer in the option? Yes, we do. 36 centimeters. This is going to be our answer, and this is going to be the lengthy solution that we have been working on for the past 5 minutes. Alright.